Hello, I'm Andy Charlwood, Professor of Human Resource Management at the University of Leeds and Employment Topic Champion for Understanding Society. In this video, I will explain how students and researchers can use data collected from households in the UK for their research projects. Understanding Society, also known as the UK Household Longitudinal Study or UKHLS, is the largest longitudinal household panel study of its kind. It is a rich resource providing data on changes within a household over time. Understanding Society asks people who participate in the study all about the jobs that they do, their job title, the type of workplace they work in, the industry it is in, and how many people it employs. Are they in the public sector, private sector, or self-employed? The hours they work and how much they get paid. How long have they been doing their job for, and whether they are satisfied with their job or not. In some waves of the survey, participants are also asked about how much control they have over how they do their job, how hard they work, how secure they think their job is, and the emotional impact that work has on them. When workers have more than one job, they are asked about the second job they have too. Because Understanding Society is a panel study, we can use it to look at how and why working lives change over time. How often do people change jobs and employers? Are some types of workers more at risk of losing their jobs than others? Are some types of workers more likely to get pay rises and promotions than others? Do workers feel more or less secure or more or less satisfied with their jobs than they used to? And what might explain any changes? Because Understanding Society is a household study, we can use it to examine how the work of one household member affects other household members. For example, how does living with someone who has a stressful, demanding job affect the well-being of partners and children? When families have children, how does fathers' and mothers' employment change? Data on work and employment is used in several different disciplines. For example, economists use Understanding Society to look at how and why labour market participation of different types of people have changed over time, and how and why wages change and how this differs for men and women. Sociologists use it to understand how the quality of work is changing for different social groups and occupations, and divisions of labour between men and women within the same household. Health researchers use it to understand relationships between work and health. For example, do particular types of work and employment increase risks of illness later in life? I'll finish with my top tips for using Understanding Society. Make use of the longitudinal nature of the dataset to look at how individuals' working lives change. Understanding Society is unusual among UK datasets in allowing us to study how the non-wage aspects of job quality change for the same individuals over time. The great thing about Understanding Society is it allows us to make connections between work and other aspects of respondents' lives, things like their social background, family, housing, health and well-being. Because of its relatively large number of participants, Understanding Society is also a particularly good resource for studying the working lives of different ethnic minority groups. If you're new to longitudinal research, take a look at the other Understanding Society training videos on our YouTube channel. Contact the user forum if you need help using the data or have a question for the study team via our website at understandingsociety.ac.uk.